Okay, good morning. Today is Monday and also the 2024 Earth Day. And this morning we are going out to clean the environment and to make some change for the Earth Day. Now class 713, where to go? Let's go. Come on. This way. Okay, go. Keep going. Just keep going. Here we go. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. It says 2024. We also did the same activities in 2008, 2020 on Earth Day to clean the campus and nearby neighborhood. Besides that, 2021 we also do the beach cleanup on Ocean's Day on June 8th. So it's very important to contribute our little efforts and then to make some change. Oh. And later, besides surrounding the lava campus, we will also help clean the nearby shops. Good job, thank you. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Be careful. Hey, hello. Okay. There are so many vendors, shops around school. And most of them are selling food. It's easy to have a lot of garbage, and actually it's not so convenient for them to clean up the environment every day. So it's the best education and chance for students to learn how to protect their environment. Okay, here we go. Put it over there. Yeah. Oh. And besides the school education, to maintain a good relation with the neighborhood is also important, because the whole community they always support our school for many years, and even their children also ever studied in Fusion. 有车 Come inside. So on Earth Day, we not only clean the environment, but also we to show our respect and show our thanks to the whole community. Okay, see you then. When we are cleaning up the environment and the shop vendors, the nearby resident also will tell us at night there are a lot of people will gather around and having some drink, but always dump the garbage. And after that, we'll lead the student to think what they see and how they feel when they saw so many garbage nearby, just so close to their school, so close to their livelihood. So what happened? What kind of habits the people used to have, and what kind of solution we can think to solve the problem? Okay. Good job, guys.
既然是